Warahmatullah. Today's word is corroborate. 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 It's a verb to add proof to an account, statement, idea with new information. Uh, Recently, research seems to corroborate his theory. To add information in support of an idea, opinion, or statement. Recent research seems to corroborate theory. She accused him without corroboration of any kind. These findings, examples of corroborate, were corroborated by a number of laboratory-based measures of grammatical competence, including estimated mean length of utterances, verbal comprehension, and repetition of sentences. The clear age structures of these populations are corroborating evidence of two separate cohorts of both nymphs and adults. Findings of the study largely corroborated the predictions and confirmed the importance of phonological meditation in the initial stages of reading acquisition. The fact that it was in force in 1991 was corroborated by several interview statements in the focus group discussions. Types of statements made in public health and the empirical evidence to corroborate them. This is corroborated by regions' economic development and relative stability in recent years. Present study corroborates findings in many earlier studies. Risk factors for sporadic Campylobacter infections in other countries. Since making these observations, one research group has recently corroborated the finding that bilingual children may not be delayed in their achievements of linguistic milestones. This implies that concerted evolution is not acting, which is corroborated by the scarce strip signatures of gene conversion and recombination. An old but controversial thesis in linguistic theories ultimately corroborated that semantic and contextual information need to be rigorously integrated into the grammar. The response of other interviewees corroborated the claim that judges tend to follow the therapeutic recommendations. The last section shows how the empirical results corroborate the expectations. To some extent, the evidence appears to corroborate his claims. This violence difference was corroborated by all three data sources: self-reports, informant reports, official records with lower effect sizes. The first response to discrepancies between theory and evidence would be to perform further experiments to corroborate or re-evaluate the earlier evidence. Thanks.